Alright, today's video, we're going to be loading everything up for my GNCC race tomorrow. So, first thing we gotta do is move this car here. Right. Got this, now time to move the truck up. Oh, forgot to roll up the windows. We ain't fully done here yet. Alright, we got the Steed, about to take her down to the truck. So now we're gonna be packing my gear bag, helmet. Put them around like a glove. Boots next. Alpine Star Tech 7s. Full Alpine Star gear set. Actually, all right. 100% goggles. One in. Two things to tear off. It's going in.
It's freaking cold.
Alright, just got the helmet set up. Just got all my gear on. Time to get this GoPro on. Alright, so I don't know. Got everything. Got the whole outfit good. And we're gonna switch to GoPro.
So this is me just going to be riding around. This is me just kind of getting the bike a little warm, getting my body warmed up. I actually lost my start footage, so I may or may not put in some start footage from my buddy Cole. You'll see him in the video. It's CCL clips and vids. You'll see him. Mud on the lens does go away, which give me some slack here in spraying it because I don't wipe it off. It gets wiped off in a bit. Alright, so this is one of my first decent crashes coming up at the bottom of this hill here, so just give it a minute and you'll see what I'm talking about. So what happened there was my rear end slid out, so my bars were turned, and then I hit a tree, and it caught, and it just threw me over the bike. Most of this section just because not a lot of action happened, but I'm just going to give an example on how physically demanding the sport is at the end of this. I was just trying to get back onto the track, but I was just so tired I just couldn't. So I tried to move it and fell over. Broke my visor too. Skipping through a lot of these just so I don't bore you to death, and so this video ain't an hour long. You can see my visor broke, so I was just trying to fix it, so I'm just going to be skipping to some of the good parts. Coming to the end here, you can see on this left up here next to these people over here, this is actually where I ran out of gas, so it's not in this video, but from the title y'all should be able to know. Up here, it was really slippery, it rained the night before, so locked up the brakes and this happened. Coming up on my first or second lap, I forget, but I was just, I didn't have a pack and I was really dehydrated, so this is why I was going really slow here. So I'm gonna pull up to the pits and you'll see that I told him to stop pouring the gas way too soon. That's why I ran out the next lap.
Yeah, I got it. Did you drop a gear? Gear drop?
To see me fail to keep the water bottle in the straw so it falls over. So I got a drink, but not too long, and a couple sips. So coming through here, I was feeling really good, just got a fresh water. So I was picking up the speed, but you can see up here, well, the steam stopped a little. Last year, but this hill is where everyone was struggling, even the adult class. It wasn't even that bad, but yeah. Coming up here, this hill, I lost my left shroud bolt. You can see it come up here. I'll put a little arrow on it. Grab some popcorn and look at this hill climb here. Just wait.
I can't catch a break.
just me going to be trying to get my bike off the tree, and whoever finds that shroud, you know, enjoy it. Bonus clipping about what happened the rest of the race. So I placed 17th out of 20 people in my class. I ran out of gas, so overall I think it was a decent experience. It was a big learning curve for me. So all in all, it was decent. Could have done a lot of things better. My bike setup wasn't there, and ran out of gas, just a lack of knowledge. Didn't have a big enough tank, but there could be a KTM 252 stroke in my future, so look out for that. Wrap everything up. It's a great time, hang out with some great friends, family, and see you on the next one.